Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, markets are quite boring as of 2 days ago, right? Powell was testifying in Congress, so likely that's the case, or it's contributing to the fact that we saw no direction since yesterday or the day before, and yet we're just range bound between this box that I showed you. So we're range bound between 370 and the upper band here at 378. So just trading sideways. Volatility intraday is crazy. We see this crazy moves up and down, kills premium in the options, especially if it's weekly. So do be careful, guys. Do not get trapped because you just don't want to. What you want to do is wait for confirmation, wait for anything above certain levels that I'm going to point out to you guys in this video. So again, not a recommendation, but my game plan, which I will outline right now in this video as to what I'm looking for and what I will be doing in the next couple of days. All right, guys, so let's dive into the analysis. Before I do, thumbs up to this video. It'll help the channel grow. Thank you so much. Now, as I've been explaining to you guys, right, I've been stressing it that this market is now correcting. This move is pretty much a correction, right? We are correcting the decline from June the 6th or the 7th down to June the 17th. Had this been the resumption to the upside and June 17th was our low, we would have seen this impulsively heading higher. So far, we have not, but maybe a slight chance. So I'll show you guys in just a minute. For now, let's take a look at what the possibilities are. Maybe we might get a push higher into the wave C of wave 2, or this is all she wrote, and tomorrow or the Monday we will see price action head lower. So zooming in a little bit here, what I want to show you guys is the following. Actually, let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So let me delete this. So we know that post June 17th, we got a wave, right? ABC down to the B wave. And now we're looking to see either this is the C wave or this has been the C wave. Now we broke a little bit above this high here. So it is likely that the C wave has shifted. Now the question is it going to push higher to be equal to the wave A? Let's see what the target is. So the way to do that, guys, is that we're going to take that extension tool down here. All right, we're going to take it from the low of wave A to the high of wave A, projected to the wave B. All right. And we're going to see that equality of A and C comes in at 384.58, just a little bit above the 38.2% retracement of the higher degree wave 2, which is in orange over here. I'm looking at the white wave count. So if we see tomorrow price action head lower, head higher, and break this range, which I'm going to highlight really quickly, right? 378.84, right, which is the double top here, and it was resistance, 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 then it is likely that our next target is going to be between 382. All right, let me highlight this for you guys for a second. 382 and 384, which will be equality of wave A and wave C. All right, so it'll be like A, B, and C. All right, pretty simple, zigzag. So that's what I'm looking for. Now, if we get that, I personally will start looking for a short opportunity using SQQQ like it worked before. We got a pretty good gain out of that play, or I'll look for a different type of trading vehicle, trading instrument to give me exposure to the downside. Because if 384, 382 is met and we start seeing a little bit of divergence, rejection, and so on and so forth, then our downside targets are going to be the following. All right, it's going to be 332. That'll be wave 1 equals to wave 2. That's normally how the Elliott wave guidelines work, right? Wave 3 and wave 2, wave 3 and wave 1 will be equal in length, but sometimes wave 3 can be a little bit longer to the 1618. But my initial target will be 332, which is 100% extension. Otherwise, all right, there's the caveat. Otherwise, if we don't push higher to this zone that I mentioned to you guys, and we hold this line, then it is likely that wave 2 has completed, and it's simple, we start heading lower. So how do we confirm that? I want to see a break south of this zone right here. All right, I want to see a break south of 371.11. Oh, sorry, 371.71. If markets or the SPY starts pushing lower to that zone, and we start building a base, but with some sort of divergence, then it is likely that we will start testing this low here of June 17th. All right, if we test that low and we break it, it'll confirm this count. All right, otherwise, let's take a look at what our alternate will be, because you know some folks out there are asking, what if What if this is the, what if June 17th was the low and we're now just confirming a smaller wave 2 here of a higher degree wave 1? Maybe, just maybe, but let me show you guys why that may not be the case. So let me turn on our complex correction, right? And in here, I mean, this will be a short-term relief rally into the upside, right? Into a wave X of some sort, right? It's not to say that the June 17th was our actual low, but in fact, this was the completion of a W correction or a W wave correction where we have the A, B, and C. All right, now let me explain to you why this may not be the case. And it's pretty simple, as I explained to you guys the other day, right? This is why. We have this, we have this, and we have this. 1, 2, and 3. 3 acceleration gaps to the downside. Right? Not at all a characteristic of a wave C of wave W. All right, not at all. Furthermore, we have a confirmed flat correction, right? Or expanded flat. We have the A, the B, and the C of wave 2. We're calling this wave 1, ABC2, down to 3. Now, third idea as to why this may not be the case as a W is because this guy here is pretty much a fractal of its higher degree wave 2, right? If you guys remember, all right, let me turn this on. Let me turn this off for a second. If you guys remember, I'm calling this a wave 2. And I'm calling this a wave 2. So oftentimes we see wave 2s or corrections be fractals of its higher degree counterpart. In this case, we have the minor degree in blue, and then we have the minor degree in orange. Those two wave 2s are identical. All right. And what did we see after the wave 2 completed? Further downside. We saw acceleration gaps. So may be the case. We'll find out if we start breaking south of those levels I just showed you. So be on the lookout because it is important. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section because I love to interact. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you guys want to challenge this wave count, be my guest. I'm open to suggestions. Otherwise, join Trending Waves. The link to the Discord group is pinned down in the comment section. Simple as that. Let's take a look at the Triple Q's ETF. All right, same freaking deal. No follow through, range bound, Powell day yesterday and today, and it is likely that maybe tomorrow or Monday next week we'll see a break above the $286 handle, which is here, right? 286, or we're gonna see a break south of 279. Now there are other charts that are showing a clear sort of correction, and that is this, right? I want to take you guys over to the SMH, for instance. Actually, no, not the SMH, IWM. IWM is showing it pretty clear, right? IWM is showing that this is A, B, and C in the wave 2 zigzag. All right, what are our outside targets for this? All right, we may still see a little bit more in the push, but it's still trading within that range of 173 and 169, which is the 38.2 and 23.6% retracements. All right, guys. Then another one that I have evidence of a possible zigzag or corrective move is the Dow. All right, we have A, B, and possible C waves to the upside. All right, SMH is showing it just slightly. Maybe we'll see more push, or maybe this was all she wrote. All right, guys. So for now, I will be patient. All right, I'm gonna wait for either or scenario. Okay, we'll let you guys know. We'll keep you updated as tomorrow after hours or on Monday. All right, for now, that is it for me today. Thank you so much. Give a thumbs up to this video. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.